knows that he's violating our rules. With your leave, I can read.
Please go ahead. Page what?
Page 59, Order 9, Rule 1.
Order 9, Rule 1, page 59. If you have your order book,
On
please open.
rules of debate. The member shall not read his speech, save if he's moving a motion or presenting a bill. A member may, however, read short extracts from books or papers in support of his argument and may refresh his memory by reference to notes. Our dear colleague professor is reading copiously like a newscaster. That is not in line with our rules. Since he's taking his argument, he could refer to it and then make his argument. Thank you, sir.
Honorable Namji, were you reading verbatim?
Essence of this bill stems from the urgent need or the pressing need